Hey guys, my name is Mike Thompson. I am an illustrator and digital sculptor. Some of the clients that I've worked for are Nike, Marvel, and Warner Brothers. In this tutorial, I will be showing you my process for creating a paint-over from an existing piece of concept art. I was lucky enough to get some art from my friend Cameron Davis, and what you'll see is the process of creating a maquette in ZBrush, making BPR renders, and compositing them together in Photoshop, and finally using that as a base to paint over in Corel Painter. I hope you enjoy it and get something out of it.